How to lose belly fat with cycling. Cycling can reduce thigh and belly fat and benefit blood circulation around the body, strengthening the heart and other muscles and increasing the metabolism. It is a low-resistance exercise, which means it puts less pressure on the joints than running, walking, or jogging. I'm sure you've also seen charts charting the calories burned when doing household chores and other activities. If we work the body harder, either for longer periods or more intensely, we burn more calories. Charts list the calories burned for the most basic activities, and cycling performs well. For three different weights of people, cycling for 30 minutes at between 12 and 14 miles per hour burned between 240 and 336 calories. It outperforms running as the speeds increase. An average 5-day commute of 1 hour a day could see around 1,500 calories burned. Regular cycling will see toning to a host of muscles, mainly below the waistline. Pedaling requires the use of the glutes, rear end, quadriceps, calves, hamstrings, and hip flexors. The thighs get toned the most. There is a marginal gain to arms and legs, and the stomach can benefit too. Studies show the need to develop habits to lose fat and to keep it off. It takes the average person around 12 weeks to develop a habit, and about 6 weeks to notice reductions in belly fat. Cycling is often uncomfortably as tolerable to build the exercise into habit will help keep the fat off. Both the National Health Service and American Heart Association settle on fitting in around 150 minutes of moderate intensity per week for adults to be healthy. This means being slightly out of breath during the activity, or perhaps not being able to converse without a slight pause between sentences. Based on these minimum guidelines and other lifestyle decisions such as diet, sleep, and the amount of time spent being active, the average person should start to see the effects of cycling on belly fat after 6 weeks. When increasing the intensity of exercise, belly fat reduces more quickly. One feature of more exercise is that belly fat is lost first. The rate of fat loss is slightly more pronounced in men than women. Medical experts cannot overemphasize the importance of forming good habits when it comes to exercise, sleep, and diet, because control and moderation in all of these are vital to providing more likelihood of a healthier body. If the diet is compromised, it might take longer to reduce belly fat. I hope you liked this video. See you the next time. Subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Must like and share the video.